Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report from my friend auto mechanic in Tennessee on this new RCI-2970N2. Well Auto, we got you ready to go, bud. Let me go ahead and show you what we got. Need the clarifier mod like you like, full tune, full alignment. Set up the carrier like we do on all of them, carrier all the way down. Looking right about 5 watts, and the reason for that is some guys later down the line like to be able to drive these into another amp so you have full adjustability. We'll roll the carrier all the way up, 100 watt scale, 40 watts. You'll probably be running it somewhere around 20, 30, 40 on the carrier. We'll go ahead and show you average power. Low audio. Low audio. Roll the carrier down. Low audio. See about 90, maybe 95 bird. Got a peak with a 200 watt scale. Hello in the corner. 5x position. Now reading like a 500 watt scale. Hello audio. That's about 230, 235. Hello audio. And there you go, bud. She's ready to sit right at home in Tennessee from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bop bop.